In this video, we're going to be using EFT tapping to assist in the process of calming the nervous system. Now, of course, the nervous system is a super deep topic. There are so many aspects to it. I'm learning a lot. There's a woman on YouTube named Irene Lyon that I'm learning a lot from and just signed up for one of her courses. But with EFT, it actually does send calming signals to the body, into the nervous system. And it can have a calming effect just by tapping, so go ahead and be tapping now. And depending on the level of what's going on for you, working with the emotions here and doing tapping rounds like this can absolutely assist in the process. And there may be a very holistic approach that's involved or necessary. So just being aware of that, not looking for any magic bullets, but looking to get as much mileage out of this as we possibly can. So take a nice deep breath, tuning into whatever you're feeling that does not feel calm, the anxiousness, the hypervigilance. And we're going to be focusing on that feeling while we tap, as that's the best way to use this here. Sending calming signals to the body while bringing into consciousness those feelings of feeling. Let's call it the opposite of calm. Even though, so repeat after me, even though I'm feeling this, I choose to deeply and completely accept myself anyway. Even though I'm experiencing these feelings, these sensations, this activity that feels as though my nervous system is very active right now, I choose to deeply and completely honor myself and what I'm feeling. Even though I'm feeling all of this, it's the opposite of calm. It's hyper alert, maybe anxious, scanning the environment, not feeling relaxed, not feeling safe. However I'm experiencing it, I'm acknowledging that that's here. And I choose to deeply and completely honor, forgive, and accept myself and my body and my nervous system, which is always doing its best to try to keep me alive. Now through the points, all this feeling, all of these feelings, everything I'm experiencing, the energy, the agitation that I'm feeling on a physical level, anything my body is doing, any sensations I'm experiencing, any symptoms, clenching and tightness, a sense of hyper alertness, movements, pain or discomfort. I'm allowing myself to create some space for those feelings to be here as much as feels appropriate for me. Not forcing it, just acknowledging all this activity, all this hypervigilance in the amount that feels safe. As I feel my hands tapping on my body, reminding me I'm here, sending those calming signals, not forcing things to calm. We can't force anything here. We're creating the space. helping get ourselves out of the way. And any emotional content, any fear that's coming up, any fear that something is wrong, any images or memories that I may be holding in mind that is adding to a sense of threat or alarm, anything my nervous system might be reacting to because I'm remembering it or holding it in mind. Unprocessed emotion that any part of me might feel that we are actually in a really dangerous situation. And again, without forcing anything, just letting my body, my mind, my nervous system feel into where we are, right in this moment. I'm here. I'm here in this room. Here I am tapping on myself, being present with myself. There may be things in my life that I absolutely need to deal with. But right now, we are giving ourselves this moment to be exactly where we are. Noticing there's no immediate threat in this room. And that whatever I'm remembering or fearing about the future, not to minimize it, but it's not actually here right now. And if there is anything from those past experiences that feels safe to come up and process in its own natural way in this moment, I'm giving it space to do that. And asking my body, my mind, my nervous system, anything else that could be helpful in this moment to help facilitate a sense of calm, a sense of okayness, a sense of safety. Anything needed from us, including just relaxing into the moment, giving myself permission to do that. Okay. Take a nice deep breath. Allow yourself to listen to your body. Allow yourself to listen to any insights that may have come up. If it feels okay to relax a bit more, to sink into where you are right now, what you're experiencing. Hopefully that helps you and may also facilitate bringing up some other things or some other insights of where you might need to go further, other things you might need to look at, other things emotionally, other things in your past. Like I said, the nervous system is a deep topic, so you can deep dive into that as well, and trust, open yourself that the information you need will come to you. Some things will resolve naturally on their own. Other things, if information or resources are needed, just ask to find what's best for you. So I hope that was helpful to you. Feel free to look around my channel if you find anything else that resonates with you. I also have an ebook below in the description called You're Not a Repair Project, which outlines my approach to inner work and emotional healing to help bring things into consciousness, help us process them in a way that's kind of safe and natural to the way our bodies and nervous systems can help process emotion. So hope it helps and look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much.